Hi, my name is Walter Gordon, and I'm a volunteer up here at the Niagara Aerospace Museum in Niagara Falls. And I'd like to spend a minute or two talking to you about some of our collection. I'm standing here next to the lunar module ascent engine. And in this photograph here, you can see the lunar module after it lifted off the moon with Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin in it. And I'd just like to tell you, the fact that they were able to do that successfully was because of this small rocket engine, the Lunar Module Ascent Engine, built by Bell engineers right here in Niagara Falls. If this engine didn't work because there was no backup, Armstrong and Aldrin would still be on the moon. And this engine is very representative of a lot of Western New York artifacts that we have here in the museum. We have a Curtiss Jenny, the World War I aircraft trainer built in Buffalo that trained 95% of the US and Canadian airmen that fought in World War I. 5,000 of those airplanes were built here in Buffalo in 1917 and 1918. In fact, by the end of World War I, Curtiss Aircraft that made them was the largest aircraft manufacturer in the world right here in Buffalo. Well, we're having some problems in the museum right now. During the Christmas blizzard and some other storms, our roof was severely damaged. We have some leaks and we're coping right now, but we need your help. So we're starting a GoFundMe page, and please pledge as much as you think you can to help keep this history here active in Niagara Falls and keep things like this here in Niagara Falls, where you and your kids and your grandkids can come look at them and see what we've done here. Thanks a lot.